Okay. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Bhai.
I'm the president of Painting Club.
President of Painting Club. Nice
Yes,
to
sir.
meet you.
These are our paintings that we have made in the course of this academic year.
Assalamualaikum.
There are a total of 40 paintings, including
Very
calligraphy
cool.
and painting both.
अच्छा
This Benazir and
ये
Rawat
किसने
painting that I
बनाया?
made.
आपने बनाया?
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
And this painting that I specially made as a gift for you.
How kind of you. Thank you भाई. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. आप कहाँ से हो?
I am from Mansehra.
Mansehra से. अच्छा. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much. Oh, how sweet. Thank you. कैसे हैं
Sir,
आप?
I carried a math. My project name is wireless energy transfer.
Okay.
Once like that, the current is transferred from battery to bulb without any use of wires. As we consider it is a form of mutual induction. For example, like that, here, I near bulb without any use of wires. The bulb is glowing. So it explains that we can transfer energy from one place to another without any
Wirelessly.
use of wires. Yes.
Very-
It is introduced by Nikola Tesla.
जी. Fantastic.
showpiece by using a neodymium magnets. Sir, in this project, it holds that magnet can act without physical contact, but can produce attractive effects.
Fantastic भाई.
It is a very useful gadget for a blind people. Like if we are working, we are not detecting anything, but if it detects any obstacle, it usually beeps.
Oh, blind man's trick. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very impressive.
So here Arduino is connected to an ultrasonic distance sensor SG90, which produces ultrasonic waves which reflect any object or any obstacle, and it opens the barrier. So you
Thank
must
you.
have seen shopping malls.
Welcome.
It can also be used in automatic doors.
Very good.
Chinese culture club. Here is the lion dance representing China, especially on the New Year festival. And here are some paintings and calligraphy, glowing painting made by our cadets during the club activities. And here's also paper cutting.
अच्छा, cool. Assalamualaikum. 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 Thank you. Thank you भाई, बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. एक मिनट गिर जाएगा.
ये सर हमारा मेरे एमपीए वगैरह पहनते हैं.
Thank you.
ठीक है.
हाँ, thank you. Thank you. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Very kind. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
सिंधी क्लब में वली
अच्छा सिंधी क्लब है माशाल्लाह.
वली करे हैं.
शुक्रिया भाई. Thank you. How lovely. ये आप सब ने बनाया है क्या?
कुछ नहीं है, अपने कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमने सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे.
Fantastic. ज़बरदस्त. Thank you. आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं घोटकी से.
घोटकी से. शाबाश. Thank you.
सर